what I've learned is that, in our countries, once you reach 60 years, you are treated, I'm sorry to say, but you are treated as a second citizen, if I may use that word. Like, once you retire, nobody cares. I mean, look at this young man next to me here.
So I'm now retired, yeah. Next year, I will be useless.
Look at how resourceful he is, how vibrant. It is like he's getting younger. Even we were actually talking in the past that, does he ever get tired? Because he's always talking and his jokes are just infectious, Yeah. And I think we have to learn that all the elderly people are full of wisdom. And we need to utilize them as much as we can, like what Taiwan is doing here. And we really thank you very much,
Thank you,
Mr. Richard. Last but not least, I think we as Africans, it is high time we be proud of our cultural heritage. I think maybe next time when there's a meeting like this with delegates from different African countries, I think we need to come in our traditional attire so that we can just color the world. We need to be proud of who we are. We need to show it with our attire. In fact, I was so humbled when my brother Dalmat here from Somaliland, he says to me yesterday, he was even shouting, "My brother from Eswatini, I think you are the most patriotic guy among this group." I said, "Why?" He said, "Yeah, because you're always whirling, you know his English, you're always whirling that..." So I really want to thank you all. If it was according to myself, I was going to start one African song so that we can all join and sing. But then I'm told that people will start complaining because they are guests here. But I was going to sing and dance for you and show you a thing or two about, if you can allow me, Mr. Richard, is okay?
Do you want me to move the...
Who said that? Hey! Who pushed that? Who said that? Who pushed that? Who said that? Hey! Who pushed that? Who said that? Who said that? Who said that? Who pushed that? Who said that? Hey! Who pushed that? Who said that? Hey! Hey! Who pushed that? Who said that? Hey! Who pushed that? Who said that? Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you, sir.
Babukisi Foundation, lwadi nebuve ingcebo.